welcome to this new video. In the previous video we see the ninth chapter, data handling. After that we see the next in this video, patterns. Okay student, you know about the patterns. There are many patterns are there. You can see the patterns, the tiles patterns. Okay, so there are different types of tiles pattern. In our home we have to see the tiles pattern in our surrounding, nearby our house. Okay, you can see the patterns. You can see the patterns, different types of patterns. Like these patterns you can see. Those are the patterns. We call it the patterns. What means by patterns? Patterns means the same shapes are again and again, comes again and again. That's called a pattern. For example, we have to see in our textbook page number 111. So all of you students open your textbook and notebook and page number 111. So in that page number 111 we have to see the patterns. We have to see the patterns. Okay, so all of you open your notebook and you have to write the pattern. So first one we see the pattern of T. This is the T pattern. This is the T, this is the upside, this is the downside. Okay, so that like patterns we have to write. Okay, so next these patterns we have to complete it. Okay, this is the T pattern. For example, parallel T pattern. Next we have to see second pattern like this. Two lines, circle. Two lines, circle. Two lines, circle. So like these patterns we have to draw and you have to complete. Next pattern, upside the arrow and downside the arrow. Upside the arrow, 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 downside the arrow. So like these patterns we have to call like this pattern. So all those are the pattern. Next we see the V pattern. Next we see the V. Upside the V, downside 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 the V. So we have what we have to do here. We have to complete the next steps patterns. Next we see the double circle, rectangle. Double circle, rectangle. Double circle, rectangle. Double circle, rectangle. So like this double circle, rectangle. Double circle, rectangle. Okay, like this what we call patterns we have to complete it in that page number 111. Next we see the page number 120. We see the what comes next in the sequence. So first we have to complete this pattern. So first pattern we see the parallel T. Okay, so first one we see like these patterns. Okay, like that. Those are the pattern. Next pattern, which one is the pattern? Two lines, circle. Two lines, circle. Two lines, circle. So here two lines, circle. Two lines, circle. Like that. Patterns you have to complete in your textbook also. Okay. Next we see the upside the arrow, downside the arrow. 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 Okay, next he is completed V, upside V, downside V, upside V, downside V, upside V, downside V. Next what we see, two circles, rectangle, two circles, rectangle, two circles, rectangle, two circles, rectangle, two circles, rectangle. So those are all the patterns. So what mean by patterns? Patterns means which are shapes comes again and again. That called way पैटर्न्स. एक ही शेप बार बार आते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? पैटर्न्स कहते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट व्हाट we see the sequence. Next we see the what comes next in a sequence. तो बच्चों आपको ये समझ में आया कैसे करने हैं पैटर्न्स ड्रॉ. एक ही पैटर्न्स हमें क्या करना है? हर बार लिखनी है. लेकिन वो पैटर्न्स कैसे होती है वो क्या करना है? हमें पहले देखने और वो उसी तरह के पैटर्न हमें क्या करने हैं? आगे आगे क्या करते हैं? ड्रॉ करते जाना. तो बच्चों आपको समझ में आया कैसे करना है? Okay, so all of you pause the video and wrote it down in your notebook also and your textbook also. Okay, all of you understood what we have to do? Pause the video and write it down all. Okay, so I will rub that. Next we see the पैटर्न्स इन सीक्वेंस। तो पैटर्न्स क्या है, हमें सीक्वेंस में क्या करना है, वहां पे लगाना है। तो कैसे लगाने में आपको बताता हूं। Okay, we see the what comes next in a sequence. What comes next in a sequence? So first one we see like this. First one is the circle. Second one is the a sun, like that sun. Second one is the third one is the circle. Fourth one is the sun. So like that sequence. What comes next in the sequence? तो ये sequence है, sequence के हिसाब से हमें क्या करना है, आगे के पैटर्न्स हमें क्या करना है, वहाँ पे ड्रॉ करने हैं। तो कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे, यहाँ पे सर्कल है, यहाँ पे सन है, सर्कल है, सन है, फिर कौन सा पैटर्न आएगा, सर्कल आएगा, बाद में फिर से सन आएगा। तो ऐसे करके हमें क्या करना है, पैटर्न्स ड्रॉ करना है। नेक्स्ट कौन सा है, अपसाइड द सेमी सर्कल, डाउन साइड द सेमी सर्कल। ये क्या है, सेमी सर्कल। ये क्या है, डाउन साइड है। अब ये क्या हो गया, अपसाइड। सॉरी, ये हो गया डाउन साइड, ये हो गया अपसाइड। हाँ, अपसाइड डाउन साइड, अपसाइड डाउन साइड, अपसाइड डाउन साइड। तो ये जो सीक्वेंस है, इनका सीक्वेंस हमें क्या करना है, अच्छी तरह से लगाना है। जैसे कि थर्ड वन कौन सा है, ये ऐसा है। हाँ, ये क्या बारिश की बूंदे होते तो वैसे, और ये क्या है, बेरी जैसे होता है, बेरी। हाँ, तो बारिश की बूंदे और बेरी, बारिश की बूंदे बेरी। So like this sequence you have to complete in your page number 122. Okay? तो बच्चों आपको समझ में आया सीक्वेंस कैसे करने हैं। नेक्स्ट सीक्वेंस कौन से है, नेक्स्ट सीक्वेंस है पैटर्न्स इन शेप्स। फिल इन द बॉक्सेस इन अ सीक्वेंस, पैटर्न्स इन अ शेप्स। शेप्स का मतलब क्या होता है, यहाँ पे देखो। अब ये हमें कंप्लीट करना है, वो कितने पेज नंबर पे, पेज नंबर 122। On that page number 122 you have to complete that. Okay, so I will rub that, pause the video and complete it. You have to write it down in your sequence. Okay, so here we rub it. Next we see the page number 113. We have to see the patterns in a shape. Patterns in a shape. So what we have to see here, patterns in a shape. There are shapes are there. There are some shapes are there. For example, which one are the shapes? So first one is the lips. So like that lips are there, and next one is the flower. Okay, like that flower. Next what the sequence is there? Next there is a lip, and next there is a flower. Next leaf, and next the flower. So like that shapes you have, there are given. Like that shape there are given. For example, next shape, which one shape? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Like that shapes are there. Next, so we have to see here, third one shape is very difficult. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Next, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next pattern, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is patterns are increases. Here patterns are increases. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5 patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns. So what happened here? Those patterns are increases. All the patterns are increases. Next we see the candle. Next we see the candle. In the fourth here is the candle. Like this candle. Okay. This is the upside and this is the downside candle. Okay. So here are the one. Next the growth, increases. Candles are increases. So here is one candle, here are two candles, here three candles, 1, 2, 3, here also 1, 2, 3, Okay, so all the candles are increases. What happen here? The candles are increases. So next what happen? Here are three candles. Next are increases candles. So four candles. One, two, three, and four. Next one, two, three, and four candles. Okay. So like these candles are increases. Candles are increases. So like that examples you have to solve in your exam also. Okay. Like that examples you have to solve in your exam. Okay, student, all of you understand how to solve this example. There are increases. All the shapes are increases in the third example and fourth example. But here are not increases. The lips and flower here is not different. Here these examples are different. These examples are different. Okay. So student, all of you understood how to solve this example. Okay. So here you have to complete the page number 111 and 112. Next we see the patterns in the shapes in the next video. Okay, so students, all of you understood how to solve these examples. Okay, you have to complete the page number 111 and 112. Okay, students, there are some problems, otherwise queries are there, you can call me, otherwise you can give me the message. Okay, so today we will stop here. In the next lecture we see the next patterns in a shape. Okay, thank you very much. Myself Vikandar sir, we see the patterns in a shape. In this video we see the patterns. Standard first subject maths patterns. Okay. So what we have to do here? Patterns in a shapes. In the previous video we see the patterns in a shape. I will told you. For example, leaves, flowers, circle, rectangle. Next increases the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next the candles are there. The candles are increases. So like this example we have to see in the page number 103. So all the students open your textbook, page number 130. So all of you open. So we see the examples like that. First example is the home. First example like this, home. So the home in that like a match. This is the what we call in the matches sticks are there. Sticks, how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so what happened here? One sticks are decreases. One sticks are decreases. For example, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, two sticks are decreases like this: 1, 2, 3. Next, three sticks are decreases: 1, 2. Next, there is only one stick. So what happened here? So here are, this is the home. There is one sticks are decreases. One sticks are decreases. Okay. So next example we see a leaf. A leaf. So here is one leaf. So next what happened? In that leaf there are more leaves are there. What happened in the next there all more leaves are there. Okay, next what happened? So leaves are increased. First one, third, 6, 7. Here are 9. Okay, so here what happened? In the first example we see that there are decreases. Means sticks are decreased. And what happened? We have to see here there are leaves are there and leaves are increases. Okay. So next example, page number 114. Study the pattern and fill the missing number. Next we see the missing numbers in the patterns. Next we see the missing numbers. What? Missing numbers. So what we have to see here? There are some triangles like this triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here are some missing numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, dash and 13. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 और एक यहाँ पे छोड़ा है 12 और 13 सॉरी 1 3 5 7 9 11 and 13. My mistake is there. So this is correct. So we have to see here. This is the one number is a gap. One number is a here 2, here 4, here 6, here 8, here 10, and here 12. Those all numbers is the one numbers gap. One numbers gap is there. So those are the missing numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. And how many numbers are gap? One numbers are gap. Okay. So we have to write the missing numbers. Which missing numbers? So 9, 11. Those are the missing numbers. 9, 11 is the missing number. Okay. So next term we see the in that box say there are some numbers. There are some numbers are missing numbers. There are some numbers are missing numbers. So these missing numbers we have to find it and we have to write there. Okay. So we have to see 22, 21, 20. Okay, so what happened here? 22, 21, 20, dash 70. So what happened here? Here the numbers are decreases. Numbers are decreases. Becomes we have to go to back side. Here we have to go to back side. तो हमें क्या करना है? पीछे पीछे जाना है. Numbers को गिनते हुए पीछे पीछे जाना है. 22, 21, 20, 19 और 18. 19 और 18. ओके. सो 22, 21, 20, 19, 18 और 17. तो हम क्या करें यहाँ? हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे? हमने क्या किया? हम पीछे पीछे गिनते हुए गए. पीछे पीछे गिनते हुए. जैसे कि 22, 21, 20, 19, 18 and 17. So 18 and 19 are the missing numbers. Like that, next numbers we have to see here. So next numbers, which one? In that balloon there are some numbers. In that balloon there are some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in that 5 and 6 balloon there are some numbers are there. 5, 10. Here are missing 20, 25. So what happened here? Here are some table. 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3 are 15. 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30. So those are the missing numbers. Okay. So now this number is the missing. Okay. So like that examples you have to solve in your textbook also and notebook also. And there are some. Complete the patterns. We have to see in the page number 115. Like these patterns we have to see in the page number 130. Okay. So next complete the patterns in that page number 116. I will show you this in that page number 116. Okay. So we have to see there are table 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14. Like that example you have to write here. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे क्या करना है? आपके 2 का टेबल हमें कहना है आगे लिखते हुए जाना. 2 4 6 8 10 12 और 14. तो आपको कहना है ऐसे लिखते हुए जाना. तो इस बकेट में क्या लिखा है? 27 28 29 30 31 32 और 33. तो क्या करना है? 27 28 29 30 31 32 33. आगे के नंबर हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे कंप्लीट करना है. Okay, next there are some terms are there 25, 30. Here यहाँ पे क्या है? 35, 40, 45, 50, 55। तो यहाँ पे 5 नंबर्स हमने क्या किए, यहाँ पे ऐड करते गए। यहाँ पे 5 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद 30 आ गया, 30 में 5 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद क्या आ गया, 35, 35 में 5 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद क्या है यहाँ पे 40, 40 में 5 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद क्या आ गया 45, 45 में 5 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद क्या आ गया 50, 50 में 5 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद 55। ओके, नेक्स्ट हियर इज नंबर 1 4 7 डैश डैश डैश। तो यहाँ पे 1 और 4 में कितने नंबर्स यहाँ पे हमने ऐड करने के बाद 4 आ गया, तो 1 2 3 4। यहाँ पे 3 नंबर्स ऐड करने के 4 आ गया, 4 में 3 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद क्या आएगा 7, 7 में 3 नंबर्स ऐड करने के बाद कौन सा आएगा 10, 10 के बाद 13, 13 के बाद 16, 16 के बाद 19। तो ऐसे हमें क्या करना है, नंबर्स ऐड करना है, कम करना है, ऐड करना है, कम करना है, और इसी तरह से हमें क्या करना है, ये कंप्लीट करना है। सो हियर वी कंप्लीट आवर 10th चैप्टर patterns. Okay, so next chapters numbers. Okay, we see the next video. So student, you have to complete the page number 111 to 116. So all the pages you have to complete in your textbook also, notebook also. Okay, in the next video we see the workbook. Okay, so in this patterns there are some problems, otherwise queries are there, so you can call me, otherwise you can give me the message. Okay student, so today we will stop here. In the next lecture we see the next chapter. Okay students, thank you very much.